How do police retroactively justify probable cause for an arrest? Imagine a police officer pulls someone over for a traffic violation. They see signs of intoxication and suspect drunk driving. But how do they prove they had enough reason at that moment? That's where probable cause comes into play. Probable cause means the officer had a reasonable belief that a crime was happening or had happened before making the arrest. It's based on facts and observations, not just a hunch. Now, the key point is that police cannot say they had probable cause after the fact to justify an arrest. They must have known enough facts at the time of arrest. If they discover new evidence later, that doesn't make the initial arrest valid. For example, if an officer pulls over a car because of erratic driving, they need to have specific reasons at that moment, like the smell of alcohol or failed sobriety tests, to justify the arrest. They can't later say, "We knew all along because we found a bottle in the car after the arrest." Probable cause is all about what the officer knew before or during the arrest. Courts look at what facts were available at that time. If the arrest was based only on information learned after the fact, it's usually not valid. This is to protect people from being arrested unfairly without proper justification. Police officers must be able to explain what they saw, heard, or observed that made them think a crime was happening. For example, if someone is caught shoplifting, the officer needs to have seen the person taking items or have other specific facts at the moment of arrest. They cannot just say they believed the person was stealing because they later found stolen goods in their pocket. This rule helps prevent arbitrary arrests. It makes sure that officers act based on real, timely evidence, not just after the incident rationalizations. Courts will review whether the facts known at the time supported probable cause. If not, the arrest can be challenged and potentially thrown out. In essence, police cannot justify an arrest by looking back and saying they had probable cause all along. The facts must support the arrest at the moment it happens. This protects your rights and keeps the process fair. It's a vital part of the legal safeguards that make sure arrests are based on reasonable, timely reasons rather than after-the-fact excuses.